Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is I'm going to show you on how to connect your i9 Ultra Max smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, today I'm going to show you on how to connect your i9 Ultra Max to your smartphone. So guys, all we have to do is we are going to go to Play Store and search for Laxas Fit. So there are actually two Laxas Fit guys. We have Laxas Fit alone, and then we have here Laxas Fit Pro. So we are going to download Laxas Fit Pro. So just tap on install guys. Alright guys, so we have already downloaded the Laxas Fit Pro. Just tap on open and just tap on agree guys. Okay, while using the app, and then tap on device and just tap on go bind. Tap on allow. Okay, and then just tap on watch. So let's just wait guys. So it says there connected. Okay, tap on pair. Let's tap on find guys. So as you can see, our watch is actually vibrating, so it means that it is already connected. Okay, so you can check guys the different features, and then there's also auto upgrade, so you can customize or change this one to whatever you like. So race to wake, you can set this one up. So it's all up to you. It's very easy guys. All you have to do is scan the code or just go to Play Store and just tap on or download Laxas Fit Pro and just set the application. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.